Today, I'm sharing a piece of my day with a deeply nourishing meal that fills the kitchen with the most comforting aroma. My mushroom quinoa bowl. Come with me. Let's start by slicing our white cut mushrooms smoothly. Next, thinly slice the half onion. It will add a beautiful, natural sweetness to the dish. And finely chop the spring onion. I love to use these for a fresh, aromatic base. In a small jar, combine your soy sauce, honey, sesame oil, garlic powder, and a pinch of pepper. Mix it well until it becomes a rich, savory glaze. Heat a thin coating of olive oil in a pan over medium-low heat. Add the spring onions first and sauté them. Let's let that beautiful aroma gently wake up the pan. Once the spring onions are soft, toss in the sliced mushrooms and onions. I tend to eat mushrooms often because they contain a rare longevity vitamin that acts like a shield, protecting our cells from daily wear and tear. As the vegetables become tender, add your cooked quinoa. Stir it well to combine all those textures together. Finally, pour in that lovely sauce and toss everything to coat evenly. I love how the quinoa absorbs all that savory, spiced warmth. Transfer to a bowl and sprinkle with sesame seeds. It has this perfect balance of sweet and savory that is absolutely comforting. I find this is wonderful served warm, but it's just as delicious when packed cold for the next day, making it an amazing, gut-loving option for your daily routine. Eat well, feel light.